If you're having trouble getting Google Drive to sync your files on Windows, keep watching to learn some recommended fixes. Now, if a Windows program crashes or your computer screen freezes for any reason, you can fix such problems by restarting your computer. Aside from this, you'd also fix syncing issues with cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Mega with just a quick restart. But if that did not work, disconnect or reconnect your Google account. All you have to do is open Google Drive, click Settings, select Preferences, go to your account, click Disconnect Account, then close Google Drive. After that, open Google Drive again, click Sign in with Browser, and reconnect your Google account. But you have to note, during signing in your Google account, it will ask for some permissions, so you have to make sure to click all the check boxes. Last on the list, click Temporary Files. Do it by opening Settings, click Storage from the System tab, click Temporary Files, and to free up most of the disk space, select all the temporary files checkboxes, then press the Remove Files option. And that's how to fix Google Drive not syncing on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.